What if a drone could fly 10 kilometers, shoot 8K video, and avoid obstacles in every direction? Today on Caring Guy, we're testing the powerful 4D RC M7 GPS drone. And trust me, this one is next level. Inside the box, you get everything ready to fly. The M7 drone, a 4.5-inch screen remote controller, battery and charging cable, spare propellers and accessories. And yes, the built-in screen controller is a huge upgrade. This drone features a foldable design, making it super portable. It's powered by brushless motors, which means stronger performance, less noise, longer lifespan. And with solid build quality, it feels premium and durable. Now let's talk about the camera. 8K HD camera with 4K support, wide-angle aerial shots, night vision mode, panorama plus vertical shooting. You can capture cinematic aerial videos, social media vertical shots, and stunning landscape photos. This drone is built for serious flying. 20 to 30 minutes flight time, up to 10 kilometers control range, level 7 wind resistance, up to 500-meter flight height. This means you can fly far, high, and stable. This is where the M7 becomes really smart. 360-degree obstacle avoidance. It helps prevent crashes. GPS return to home. It auto-return on low battery or signal loss. GPS follow mode. The drone follows you automatically. Waypoint flight. You draw a route, it flies itself. Circle flight mode. Perfect cinematic shots. Gesture control. Take photos and videos hands-free. With 5G FPV transmission, you get real-time video feed, low latency, smooth control experience. And the screen remote makes flying even easier. No phone needed. Pros: long range up to 10 kilometers, 8K camera plus smart shooting modes, GPS and auto-return safety, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, screen controller included. Cons: 8K may be interpolated. Large range depends on the environment. Beginners may need practice. So, is the M7 GPS drone worth it? If you want a long-range drone with smart features, strong performance, and great camera capabilities, this is a solid choice. Perfect for content creators, drone enthusiasts, adventure lovers. So what do you think? Would you fly a drone with 10 kilometers range? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Caring Guy for more awesome tech reviews. See you in the next video.